Hello, my dear students. I am NCS Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Welcome to my channel, Sri Vlogs Fun and Edutainment channel. Right? Today, I would like to discuss one important chapter in engineering mathematics, that is M4. Right? M4. జనరల్లీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో మనకి ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్లో కూడా మీకు తెలుసు 5 యూనిట్స్ ఉంటాయండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి M4లో కూడా అదేవిధంగా 5 యూనిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అయితే ఈ M4 సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది బేసికల్గా దేని గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తుందంటే కాంప్లెక్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఫంక్షన్స్. కాంప్లెక్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఫంక్షన్స్. So in M4 we discuss about complex calculus. Here we have 5 units. Unit 1 complex variable functions. Unit 2 complex integration. Unit 3 complex power series. Unit 4 contour integration. Unit 5 conformal mapping. Okay, these are the units we have in M4. So let us briefly discuss about Unit 1, Unit 2 first. So in Unit 1 we study about the basics of differentiation. So generally we have for real valued functions limits, continuity, differentiation, integration. So here also for complex variable functions we study limits, differentiation and integration. Here extension topics are contour integration and conformal mapping. So here we discuss first in Unit 1 complex differentiation of a complex variable function. So every unit has two parts, part 1 and part 2. So you get one long answer question from part 1 and one long answer question from part 2. So you have to attempt one question. So from every unit R question is there. One question from part 1 and one question from part 2. We can divide the total entire unit as two parts. So in complex analysis, the unit number 1 is complex variable functions. So we divide the complex variable functions in two parts. First part is analyticity Cauchy-Riemann equations. Second part is harmonic and conjugate harmonic functions, Milne-Thomson method to find f of z. Okay, these are the two parts. So you may get one question from part 1, that is analyticity of a complex function and Cauchy-Riemann equations. Second part is harmonic and conjugate harmonic function and Milne-Thomson method to find the analytic function f of z. Okay, this is the unit number 1. And coming to unit number 2. Unit number 2 is complex integration. Complex integration consists of line integral. Part 1 is line integral and part 2 is Cauchy integral theorem, Cauchy integral formula. So in unit 2 you get one long answer question from line integral and one long answer question from Cauchy integral theorem or Cauchy integral formula based questions. Okay, and unit 3. Coming to unit 3, it is also consisting of two parts. One is Taylor's series. So second one is Lorentz series. You may get one question from Taylor series and one question from Lorentz series. Unit 4 is contour integration. In contour integration, you have residues and Cauchy integral theorem for residue, Cauchy residue theorem. And in second part we have integration under the limits minus infinity to infinity. That means improper integrals that are from minus infinity to infinity. And unit 5 is bilinear transformations. So here you have cross ratio property and bilinear transformation. Okay, so these are the basics of all 5 units. Now we will discuss about unit 1, unit 2 in the coming videos. So all you have